Hello class, today we're on 6.2, converting between exponential and logarithmic forms. And we touched on this yesterday, the two forms we have, but we only discussed it in terms of logs. We not only have logs, but we also have the natural log, denoted as an ln of x, or ln of whatever. So we have two types of logarithms. We have log of x, and the base will be a number. So remember from yesterday, if there's a little number here, that's the base. But if there's no base written, then it's just assumed to be 10. That's just natural practice with mathematics. So for the log, the base will be a number. For the natural log, though, natural log is a special case. The base is always e, and it's not written. So just like how there's an invisible 10 here for some logs, on all natural logs, there's going to be a base e down there, but it's just not written because it's always e. So we're going to use the natural log when we deal with e. So whenever you see an e, think natural log. Or if you think natural log, think that an exponential form will be dealing with e. And e is actually a number. It's a special number. It's irrational. And it's equal to 2.718, and it being irrational, the decimals will go on forever. But it's a special case in mathematics. So for logs, this is the same thing that we looked at yesterday. Use this, or for logarithms, b to the x is equal to a, so b to some power is equal to some other number. That can be written as log base b of a is equal to x. So notice that here it's solved for a, here it's solved for x. So that's why these different forms are so useful to us. They help us when we're trying to solve for something. Now for ln, for the natural log, use this as a frame of reference. So e to the x is equal to something, and that can be written as ln of a is equal to x. So what we're doing today is we're just converting back and forth from exponential to logarithmic, or from logarithmic to exponential. And we're going to use this as kind of our little key here. So let's go over some examples. So this top portion, we're converting from exponential to log form. So all of these start out exponential, and we want to convert to log form. And I wrote our two little keys, or our two little things here. And then the second portion, we're going to be converting from log to exponential form. So let's start with going from exponential to log form. So this first one, I don't see an e. So therefore, I'm not going to use the natural log or the e one. I'm going to use this top one. So whenever you don't see a natural log or an e, use this. If you see a natural log or an e, use the second one. Okay? So here, let's see, what color should I use? I'll use this. Okay. So all we need to really do is identify what number is which. In this case, our x is our b, 3 is our x, and 27 is our a. So we're just going to put it into a different form, and it's just that simple. There's no math really going on. We just need to identify what number is which and put them where they need to be. So x cubed equals 27. Well, I'm going to write it in log form, so I'm going to start off writing my log. So there we go. And log base is b. Well, the base here is x, so log base x of a, and a is 27, so log base x of 27 is equal to our a, which is equal to our x, which in this case is 3. So hopefully you guys can see what's going on here. I'm just substituting, or I'm just rearranging the values here. All right, let's take a look at this one. So e to the negative fourth is equal to 1 over e to the fourth. So this, I see e, right away I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to be dealing with an ln now. So we see e to the x is equal to something, to a. In this case, our e is e. In this case, the e will always be e, right? Our x is negative 4, and our a is 1 over e to the fourth. So we're just going to write it into this form. ln of a, well, a is 1 over e to the fourth, is equal to our x. And x is the exponent in this case, it's -4. Just like that. This one over here, I don't see an e, so I'm going to use this first one. B to the x equals a. So 25 is b, 1/2 is x, and a is 5. So I'm going to put it into this form. Log base b, so log base 25 of a, which a is 5, equals our x, which is our exponent, 1/2. Just like that. And here we're given an e again on this next example. E squared is equal to 7.389. So I'm just going to put it into, I'm going to use this, I'm going to write it as a natural log. So natural log of a, which a is 7.389, is equal to x, which is our exponent, which is 2. Just like that. So here's converting from exponential to log. Let's go backwards now. And we're still going to use the same key. We're just going to go from to the right to the left ones now. And let's see. So when I see a log, I'm going to use the top one. When I see a natural log, I'm going to use the bottom one here. So here we have log base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. Well, in this case, our b is 2, our a is 8, and our x is 3. So I'm just going to write it into this form. So b, so 2 to the 3rd power is equal to 8. And I just converted this to exponential form. See, that's all we're doing. Here I see a natural log, so I'm going to be dealing with the second one. I'm going to be writing an e. So this is going to be e to the x. Our x in this case is 1.099. Is equal to a, which is 3. Here we have a log, so I'm going to be dealing with our logs, not the natural log. So in this case, our b is actually x. So this is going to be written as x to the 4th power is equal to 30. And then finally these last two, let's see here. This is a log, so I'm going to be using the top one here. I can't really fit them. Well, I can fit them both in the same video. Okay. So let's see. Log base 36 of 6 is equal to 1/2. So in this case, our b is 36, our a is 6, and our x is 1/2. So I'm just going to put it into this form up here. So it's going to be 36 to the 1/2 power is equal to 6. And these are all true statements, by the way, right? We know 2 cubed is 8. 3 to the 1/2 power is 6. Raising something to the 1/2 power is the same thing as taking the square root of it. So the square root of 36 is 6, in fact. All right. And then finally, this last one. So this is a natural log, so I'm going to be dealing with the second one here. So I'm going to convert it to e, so I need to write my e. E to the x, well, in this case, x is 1.792 is equal to a. Where am I? Is equal to a, and a is 6. So just like that. And that is how we convert between exponential and log form. So get started on the worksheet. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a good day.